Hello everyone, my name is Eduardo Branco. Today I'm gonna go talk about the VLAN. Basically, what means VLAN? VLAN is a virtual local area network. Basically, it's a method used in computer network to segment a single physical network into multiple separate networks logically. Okay. So this segmentation is archived by assigning network device different VLANs based on criteria, success functions, department, or about just security requirement. So, of course, there are several benefits to use VLAN. So when you use VLAN, you increase security because when you segmentation network, you can isolate different groups of user devices, and these things help to protect sensitive data and limitation access. Uh, Authorized user only, just is not everything you. Okay, so another one is to more easy to management network. So and then VLAN is allowed uh, to administration networking, to creation logical network segments. Of course, it's a simplified configuration and maintenance, especially in large, big companies uh, and complex network. So, of course, performance is another thing uh, positive, and because when you implement VLAN, you automatically segmentation network. Of course, you have reduced broadcast traffic. Okay, just broadcast. It's just in each VLAN. Of course, you reduce unnecessary traffic. All those devices not is the same. Okay, and of course, another one. Flexibility and scalability, because when you use VLAN to enable addition or removal devices from different segments without need to reconfigure the physical infrastructure. So it's, I mean, just more easy uh, to change, because of course, if you see how internet is growing so quickly, so and then the same thing in network can be in crisis, can be in the crisis, can be moving. So and then this is important in use VLAN. Another one is it's of course when use VLAN you make more easy to control the traffic. So in network, we have some application sensitivity, voice and data, and then we have priority when we use quality of service. Of course, VLAN allow uh, to improve the overall in this service. Of course, use VLAN and then allow to reduce the cost, because you no need to buy equipment, just use the same equipment, but you use the same equipment in logical form. So I just create the VLAN and no need to buy another equipment to do the same thing. So and another one is it's more easy to make implementation, or uh, more easy to configure. So and uh, this environment is more easy to distribute your officer. So I mean, uh, just simplification about the implementation. So let's take a look on this lab using the Cisco packet trace. I have configured this lab. I'm use the router and use two switches, and use 5 devices. Those are laptops are divided for VLAN 30, and those PCs use VLAN 10. So uh, let's take a look on the switch 2, and it's more easy to visualize those configurations. So there is number 10 is uh, identified to VLAN. I mean, I used VLAN 10 for support department, and I use VLAN 30 for support PG1. All those status are active. So the VLAN 10, it's working on fast internet O/1, and VLAN 30 use fast internet 0/2. Okay. Of course, we have another VLAN, but in this lab, you just use two VLAN to exemplify how these things work. Okay. Let's take a look on the switch 1. So this switch 1, the same thing, because if you have if you need using those switch VLAN 10 and VLAN 30, you need to create these VLANs and then associate this port. Okay, so the same thing I have created VLAN 10. I'm naming this VLAN for support, and use the fast internet the O/1 and fast internet 0/2 for use VLAN 10. Okay. Then let's move on VLAN 30, the same thing. They support J1, and all those activity, and use fast internet 0/4. Okay. Uh, let's start this lab. So I mean, use simulation, so it's more easy to the capture step by step how to these things work. So let me send one message, the laptop 0 for laptop 1. So let me just a little bit slowly. Okay, you can do more fast, and then after that you can just see step by step. Okay, so I mean, okay, this finish. So let's take a look on the first step in this pack. So basically, yeah, briefly of process. Okay, so we have the layer 3 IP header and my source and destination. So when the on the layer 2 we have the header of MAC address, the part of process. So after that we can go for layer 1. Layer 1 is just port fast internet of this device. So here is a camp of IP. So basically source and destination IP. There uh, there is tape of IPv4. So, but let's moving on. When the packet when the packet comes to the switch 2 by fast internet O/2 is receiving the frame. Of course, the process start above to up, down to up, and then we have main information. Each camp means some details. Okay, but when this packet comes to the fast internet O/2, as you can see, the tape is IPv4. Okay, because the computer is just access mode. The computers no don't know about this VLAN. VLAN just in this switch for another one switch. For this laptop is VLAN is transparent. You no need to configure anything in this PC. Okay, so and then the tape is IPv4, but the outbound spec. So as I can see, is a little bit different. Okay, because his uh, uh, TP ID. So the TP ID basically I show you TP ID use VLAN tagged because it's a frame, and this code is in this camp for TP ID to identify if this equipment use the VLAN tag. And another one camp, it's a TCI Okay. The TCI it's represent the VLAN number. So you asking you what I not see the TC1 the number 30. Yeah, of course you cannot because it's hexadecimal. So if you have if I pick the decimal converter, so just me copy and uh, and paste here. You can see convert to decimal for the VLAN 30. Okay, and then the same thing. We have source and destination, and let's move on. Switch 2. So, oh, come on. The same thing we receive down for up. The same process. So, let's take a look on the on-bound. The same thing. It's marked use VLAN, the same value. Use TCI for VLAN 30. And then, as I can see, the outbound, just, I mean, next step, the switch retire the tag and put just IPv4 because it's a finale device. So in front of this, is no use anymore VLAN. Just transparent like IPv4. So, but this pathway is just use one cable, one fiber, whatever you put over here, because it doesn't matter if you use wireless, if you use fiber, if you use another technology, is the same logical, just cable, but this device can put or retire the tag of VLAN, okay, between, and then let's take a look in the same process. Use VLAN 10, okay? Just more quickly because you know how to these things. Right now it's working. So let's delete and use virtual PC 341. Okay, it's in progress, step by step. Oh, you can see a different because those PCs, the share is the same VLAN, and then you receive for those computers participating. So, and then you can see the broadcast in the network. So let's take a look on step by step. So, I mean, the same thing we learned 5 minutes before. So the same thing, the type is the PV4. So my source, my destination. So Let's see here. So, and let's take a look in the packet. As Ken was talking, TPID the same thing. When it when I put you need to use tag, and then this TCI is a value of VLAN. Let's do the same thing, the copy and paste, and let's see. Let's convert decimal number is 10. Okay, and everything is the same logical. So I mean, uh, just in this lab to share this acknowledgement, so as I can use to VLANs to transportation to transport um, the packet for different departments, or just in practical idea. So of course, I I did not use configuration report, but just this port need to configure it like trunk and put the range of VLAN associate this trunk. Okay, but but everything the same. Okay, but interesting because right in this second lab you can see the protocol ARP working. So you can see the broadcasting. So you saw like the broadcast. So how this this PC is not the same VLAN, and then no receive the broadcast. Okay, so just this PC, those PC would, of course, you can see the like X red because the spec is not for here or for here, and then the spec is dropped, literally dropped. Okay, so I know this this video is so long. Okay, and then but today I tried to explain a little bit. Uh, I think it's more easy to understand for those uh, those uh, those initial things network, because sometimes the people said network is difficult. Network is difficult. Network is not difficult. It's just it's a little bit complex, but if you start to understand step by step, it's more easy to understand next steps like routing protocols. So yeah, of course, uh, I like to give you guys this video, and thank you so much for watching me. I'm sorry, so spelling in English, so this is the first video as we're recording here. So okay, see you.